For the best noise protection and comfort, it's essential to select the correct silicone tip size for each ear. In this video, we're going to show you the best way to fit your earplugs and give you tips on how they should feel in your ears. Remove the earplugs from the carry case. We recommend starting with the largest size and trying smaller sizes to find the best fit for each ear. Gently pull your ear upwards and backwards to straighten the ear canal. Then insert the silicone earplug. Push it in until it sits securely and provides a good seal. If the earplugs feel loose or don't reduce noise effectively, try a different tip size for a better fit. These adaptive earplugs have 3 modes you can choose from. To change the mode, simply twist the tip of the earplug. Mode 1 protects your hearing, whilst maintaining clear sound, making it great for concerts and lively spaces. Mode 2 offers full occlusion to block out maximum noise, ideal for noisy environments like workshops and factories. And Mode 3 helps keep you aware of your surroundings, allowing conversation to come through without you needing to remove your earplugs.